All right, hi everyone. My name is Gabriel Dushinsky. I'm with Theatrixx Technologies. We're in ISE 2023 Barcelona. So today we're going to talk about the XVision Nomad 2.6, which is our latest LED product. Now you'll see a lot of LED products out there, but what really sets us apart is how we treat the LEDs. As you can see, there's no shaders on our modules. We use a technology which we developed ourselves called TPEP, which stands for Titanium Polymer Edge Protection. If you look at the edges of the module, you'll see it's titanium ring. And the titanium does protect against the impacts because the sides of the modules are the one that are the most commonly damaged during transport. So the titanium protects against that. Then we've got the polymer, which goes around each diode and mechanically bonds them together and replaces a traditional plastic shader. So that means you got almost unlimited viewing angle and no color shift. So this is the XVision Nomad 2.6 from Theatrixx. For more information, please go to our website, theatrixx.com.